Today, we're going to introduce our educational game called The Whispering, a fun, interactive activity perfect for friends, family, or even if building season.
We will also explain how to play it.
Plus, share why we think such a great game to bring people together.
What makes this game really special is that it's built on connection and can bring people together because it's all about trusting your teammate and trusting your God.
That's right. When you play, you will find that relying on others and listening to your instincts will honestly, you wouldn't get from just winning an entire game.
Break down all the rules step by step.
So let's get started. We promise we'll give this one a try.
Here's how it's played. There are two teams with 6 players and 1 keeper standing at the center. Before the round begins, the keeper meets each team privately to agree on a unique secret action. After that, each team hides 2 rings on 2 different players and the rings must stay on the players at all times. Once everyone lines up, the keeper calls out "Action time" for 3 seconds. Only the real ring holder perform their secret action. The rest may use small fake gestures to throw the other team off the trail.
Players step forward one by one. The 2 players in front face off in rock, paper, scissors. The winner earns the right to whisper to the keeper, identifying who holds the ring on their own team and making one silent guess about the opposite team's ring holder. The keeper checks the guesses. If only one team is correct, the other team must free-hide their rings. If both teams are right, both must free-hide within 15 seconds.
When a team makes a correct guess, the keeper gives a rainbow signal. That means 1 point is awarded to that team. If both teams guess correctly in the same round, the keeper gives a double glow. Both teams earn 1 point, but both must hide their rings immediately.
When a team guesses incorrectly, the keeper gives a hush signal. No point is earned, and the game moves on in silence. And if a team member breaks the rule twice, the keeper announces a penalty, causing that the team to lose a point.
Not only that, but they just give the opposing team a free whisper. Yes. What a tragedy. You don't want that to happen when you play this game, do you? Then you better listen up to these upcoming rules.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I represent to you the laws and the norms and the violation.
Do work quietly with your team when you're hiding the rings. Do whisper guesses only to the keeper. And do watch closely during action time. Every movement could be a clue.
Don't shout or give obvious hints. Don't hide the ring anywhere except in the player. And don't forget to perform your assigned action if you are not.
The violation include changing the pre-agreed clue action mid-game without keeper permission, stepping outside the marked area on purpose to distract or confuse the other team, picking at the other team ring hider, and take longer than the allowed time to re-hide the ring.
One mistake can change the entire game, but when everyone plays fair, follows the rules, and trusts the process, the whisper rings becomes more than just a game.
It becomes a test of observation, teamwork, and self-control.
A game where action speaks louder than voice.
Where every small movement could be a clue.
5 points, 1 win.
And that, dear viewers, is the spirit of the whispering.